Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with this padlock. It's a 4-digit padlock, currently set to 5632. You see there? See? So how you do this is you push this over to the side, jostle the numbers, figure out where you want it, let go, and you have your combo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over, push the button, move these, set a combo, let go, and roll the dials again. That way, I won't know what the combination to this lock is. Let's see here. How is the best way I can do this? Making sure they're all on right numbers. Okay, so now it's set to a number. Okay, and I don't know what it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set this, reset this. All right, let's see what we can come up with now. I'm going to go ahead and set this whole thing to 0. And let's see what we can do. All right. Nope, not on 0. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Ooh, nothing on 3, but I'm feeling something on 4. Yep, there's 4. All right, so 4 is the winner. Winner, chicken dinner, I think. Ooh, I don't know. It might be 3. Yep, I'm thinking 3. Okay. This one I think is 9 already because I just felt it. Yep, that one was 9. And this one, I don't know. Nothing on 0. Nothing on 1. Nope, it was 1. Yep, it's 1. And then, let's check the last one here. On 1, 2, 3. It was like 4 maybe. Yep, it's a 3. Okay. I think we have our winner here. We have 3913, it looks like. So we're going to move each one of these up one at a time. So 4, 0, 2, 4. Nope. Oops. Keep using this. 5, 1, 3, 5. Nope. 6, 2, 4, 6. Nope. 7, 3, 5, 7. Nope. Huh. There, folks, what in the hell? 8468. Oh, there she is. 8468. Just had to pull a little harder. So it was 5 numbers difference. So yet another example of combination locks being unreliable and not a good choice for security. Now, it did take me a little bit of time to decipher this, but if I practiced at it, I could get good at it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, folks. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.